Hey there everyone, Ajmin here back again with another video, and in this video we are going to talk about PM2, a process manager, a background process manager. So let's go ahead and get started. In my screen, as you can see, I'm inside terminal. Let's go inside our application. Great so far, ls. But if we try to access our application from the IP address, let's see what happens. Copy the IP address, take a new tab. Oh, my bad. I have to mention the port as well. Still reconnect, refused. Why? Let's see. We haven't ran our application. Okay, let's do it. app.js. It's running. Now let's refresh the browser. It's there. Let's try to see an interesting thing. Let's close this tab and try to see if we can access our application or not. I have closed. Now let's reload it. Again, it's gone. Whoosh. But this shouldn't happen in production environment, right? You deployed an application for a client, for a business, but it's once you close the terminal, it's gone. Then what is the meaning of deployment then? Well, let's fix this issue and run our application in the background, so that if we close our tab, it doesn't go anywhere. So let's quickly go inside our computer again, click on connect. Yeah, I know you already understand why now. It's pretty easy. Now we will be installing a package called PM2. So sudo npm install -g PM2. You understand this? Oh, my bad. Node -v. Yep, that. No, npm is also there. What is the issue there? Oh, my bad. I have used sudo. So npm -g and PM2. It's nothing. It's just install a package globally on my system called PM2. You already understand what is this flag means. So it's installing my package. Let's wait a couple of seconds. All right. Perfect. Now, since I can say it's installed, let's just type in PM2 -help. Oh my goodness, so many of the things are here. Let's see one by one quickly. Don't you worry, this video is not going to be 1 hour long. Just scroll up a little bit. These are the most important commands you need to remember. PM2 style, PM2 start, API.js -i4, monitor production PM2 monitor, PM2 startup, and another one is PM2 flash. Few. Definitely you don't need to remember. We will be doing together. Now let's go inside our application once again. And now just type PM2. Previously we were doing like this, PM2 node.app.js. Now let's Control C to kill the process and Control L to clear the screen. Now let's try to go with PM2. How does it work? Just type PM2 and then start app.js. Let's see how it goes. Oh, cool, interesting. It gave me a table, few information that this much of the memory it's taking, its status, its process ID, its version, its namespace. Interesting. Let's try to access it from our browser. Now, it's working. Let's try to close the tab. It's still working. Let's try to close this tab as well and go with it's working. So what we have learned in this video, if we want to keep our application running in the background, we have to use a process manager. There are a couple of other packages, so many ways to keep our application running in the background. One such as this. It has so many inbuilt features. That's why a lot of people and a lot of developers love it. So give it a try. Give it a try. Once you understand the process of it, you will be able to explore other options as well. So let's go ahead and see other things in the later videos, and I'm going to surely catch you up in the next one.